So here we have today 2 counter height stools where I'm going to build 2 of them today, as you can see. So let's start with that. So here we have the 2 chairs, and you don't need any tools necessary because it does come with 2 Allen wrenches, which is very useful to actually put the seats together. And as you can see, they're very sturdy. They do not wobble a lot. They're actually really good to put on like counters and stuff. So it does come with 2 chairs, and they're actually really sturdy. And it does come, you don't need any tools necessary. It does come with 2 Allen wrenches, which is very useful. This can be used for bars or counters. Or they're just very sturdy stools. I hope you enjoyed the video.